Another fucking idiot right in front. On your phone. God. I just don't get it. It's supposed to be hands-free devices, not put your phone on speaker and hold up the fucking thing to your head. You're still holding on to it, you fucking idiots. How does that not compute into your head? You're still holding on to the phone. It's still by your head. So what does it matter if it's on speaker or actually up to your ear? What, 6 inches? 5 inches? I just don't get it. Hey Chief, what time is it? Cool, thank you. Now what? So no, that was funny with the guy in the Corvette. I asked him what time it is because I didn't feel like digging into my pocket to grab my cell phone. But when I asked him what time it is, I saw the big ass watch on his wrist. And that's why I figured I'd ask him. But instead of looking at this big ass watch on his wrist, he grabs his phone to look at his phone. Like that, that's what we've come to in society now, where you buy a watch, and obviously I'm going to say, and again this is just an assumption, I'm going to say that it was a pretty expensive watch given the fact that he's driving a Corvette that looked kind of done up. It looked like he was about the image, but that's the point. He didn't have the watch for a watch. It was an accessory. I don't know. I think it's kind of funny. I guess that fashion over function comes into play. Oh, and we've got laser radar set up. That spot back there where those cops were, that was the place I got my very first speeding ticket. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. See, I would be trying to tap my helmet, but most of the people driving in cars don't know what the hell that means, so that's why I don't. See that guy up there on the sport bike, just the way he's been driving, revving it, he's the type of guy that gives most sport bikers a bad name. Like he's kind of riding like a dick. I just relax. Relax, big guy, relax. You're already better than they are. You're on a motorbike. Instant cool points, +10. But if you ride like an ass, eventually you'll become splatter. And then no more cool points. See? You can still go. Except for when people do stupid shit like that. So you guys probably still, you probably can't hear it, but he's still doing the rev bombs up there. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's a dog on the back of that bike. Hello, puppy. The dog's got its own little helmet, goggles. Instead of DOT, it's dog. Another fucking sport biker. No wave. Whatever. Whatever. Can't ridicule the spiller bikers for not doing it, because I'm willing to bet this guy ahead of me wouldn't do it either. I'm just making assumptions. Oh, I see another old guy over there on a cruiser. See? It doesn't even matter what you're on. Ah, people just aren't gonna wave if they're not gonna wave. It's not a crosswalk. It's not a crosswalk. It's not a crosswalk, dude. You're gonna get us killed. Fucking idiot. And he changed from that lane to the far lane with his left signal light on. Like, unbelievable. And he's one of those old school bikers that, yeah, I've been riding for years and years and years. I got experience. I don't give a shit what you fucking have to say, young punk. Yeah, you don't know. You don't have the experience that I do. Yeah, well, in a span of, 5 blocks, you just got both me, you, your dog killed because you stopped for somebody that you weren't supposed to stop for, and the cars all piled up behind us. And then you changed lanes illegally. But you know better. Yeah. Sure. The people in the truck, they were just staring at me. So I figured to give them a little wave. They knew it, because they waved back. Yes, there's one. I knew he would. He was wearing a white helmet. Yeah, because that matters. Oh, here's another one. No white helmet, but big old cruiser. Yeah. White shirt, that counts. I think that's maybe why he got so touchy and put his hand back on his bar so quick. Because that cop was kind of chilling right behind us. Oh my God. She's getting warm now, kids. Real warm. No white helmet, but you can wave. Yeah, buddy. That's because he was rolling kind of a old school custom look. Hey, Chief, your back tire's really low. Yeah, no problem.